Hello viewers, my name is Kainza Sandra. I'm a teacher on MBUYA Parents International Preschool. I'm here to talk about playway method of learning. Playway method of learning is the way a child learns through experience, and this is majorly done in 3 H's. That is to say, hands-on, hearts-on, and heads-on. This helps the children to learn in different areas. Did you know? Children are the happiest people when they leave their familiar environment and they come where there is fun. Did you know they grow up in a different way? For example, here at school, we learn in different ways. Children play with different things. Others play with the toys. Others climb. Others swing. Others jump, others do each kind of fun, and this enables a child to play and learn in different ways. For example, when you be in class, you're teaching a child and this child can't write for you. Number 1, hey, don't waste your time. Go out in the sand area. A child loves it when he's playing with sand. Do it practically in the sand. At the end, you get a good result where a child can write that thing. In this, children also develop physically. They develop emotionally. When a teacher is out with the children, here a teacher will be able to identify the emotional child, and this will help them to stabilize a child. Please, I urge you to bring the children. You will never regret. Thank you very much.